The northern province of Nan is stepping up flood monitoring after days of rain pushed the Nan River above its banks in some areas. 7 districts are now under a 48-hour flash flood watch. Authorities say heavy rain in northern Nan has caused water levels in the Nan River to rise, with flooding reported in parts of Wiengsa. Rain is expected across much of the province through August 15th, with some areas facing heavy downpours. In Wiengsa, water at the monitoring station in Ban Bunak reached 8.36 meters, that's almost 2 meters above the riverbank, and is expected to rise another 50 centimeters during the current watch period. 2 sub-districts in Wiengsa have already been affected, with around 138 households impacted. Residents in at-risk areas are being urged to move belongings to higher ground and prepare to evacuate vulnerable people and livestock if necessary. Authorities are also warning residents to avoid flooded areas and watch for electrical hazards and venomous animals. The province says it will monitor rainfall and water levels around the clock and issue further warnings as needed.
ก็ตอนนี้ก็เราได้ประชาสัมพันธ์เรื่องของการแจ้งเตือนเฝ้าระวังโดยเฉพาะหมู่บ้านชุมชนที่อยู่ติดกับริมน้ำน่านนะครับให้เตรียมติดตามข้อมูลและยกของพื้นที่สูงนะครับก็คาดว่าจะขึ้นอีกประมาณสัก50 เซนนะครับตามการคาดการณ์นะครับถ้าไม่มีฝนมาเพิ่มคืนนี้นะครับ